Hey guys, it's Annie here. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I typically post videos about recipes and DIYs. Today, we're making pumpkin cheesecake. First, you'll want to grind up your graham crackers, and you can do this with your hands, with a rolling pin, or in a food processor. Now, I did this by breaking it up with my hands first, and then using a rolling pin to get it to a fine sand-like crumble. Transfer your crumbs into a large bowl and add your butter. You're looking for the mixture to resemble wet sand, so something like this looks good. And once you hit the stage, then you're ready to transfer this into your springform pan. Because the cheesecake is quite rich, I prefer a little bit more crust in my cheesecake. It's a lot easier to press the crust into the springform pan by using a ramekin. It should look something like this after you're done, and you can leave it in the fridge to set. Dissolve your gelatin in some water and set it aside to bloom. Add cream cheese to a large bowl and microwave for about 30 seconds to a minute until it's very soft. Go ahead and add in your yogurt and sugar. Whisk to combine and set it aside while we work on the rest of the ingredients. Combine your pumpkin puree and pumpkin pie spice in a separate bowl and mix well. At this point, your gelatin should be set. Go ahead and microwave it for about 15 seconds until it becomes a liquid. Pour that into your cream cheese mixture and then mix it well. Now let's work on the whipped cream. Because I don't need to whip it to stiff peaks, I'm only going to be using a hand whisk. Just go ahead and whip it like this until it becomes a soft ribbony stage. I just added a few drops of vanilla to this mixture. Something like this should be good, and go ahead and pour it into your cream cheese mixture. To assemble the cheesecake, you're going to pour about a quarter of your cream cheese mixture into your pan and add about a third of your pumpkin puree into the remaining bowl. Mix it well and do your second pour directly into the center of the cream cheese mixture that you just poured. And we're going to repeat this step with the third and fourth pour. Now just go ahead and put this in the fridge to set overnight, or at least a minimum of 4 hours, and you are good to go. Trust me, this cheesecake tastes as good as it looks, and you can store any leftovers in the freezer for up to 2 months. If you enjoyed this recipe or just like cheesecakes in general, please hit that like button to let me know, and I'll see you guys next time.